Hi friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video, we'll see question number 4 from Gate 2021 CS question paper. So friends, question number 4 is from General Aptitude and it carries 1 marks. And the question is, a circular sheet of paper is folded along the lines in the directions shown. The paper, after being punched in the final folded state as shown and unfolded in the reverse order of folding will look like dash. And this is the diagram of the paper, and the arrows are given as the way the paper is being folded, and the options are A, B, C and D. So friends, now we'll see explanation to this question. As the question states, a circular sheet of paper is folded along the lines in the direction shown, and the directions are given in the form of arrows. The paper, after being punched in the final folded state, which is this one, as shown and unfolded in the reverse order of folding. That means first it is folding this way, after that we are folded this way as per the direction, and then this is the final state. In this final stage of paper, we have punched it along these sides. That is, on the y-axis we have given a horizontal punch, on the x-axis we have given a vertical punch, and in the middle we have given a circular cut. So suppose if we unfold it in that scenario, when we unfold this paper to this side, in that case on the x-axis we'll see a vertical column, which is true for option A, that we are seeing a vertical column, which is true in option C as well, which is a vertical column, which is not true in B, but yeah, in option D also we are seeing a vertical column on the x-axis. But if you see the length by which the paper is being cut, the horizontal cut on the y-axis is the longer one, and the vertical cut on the x-axis is the shorter one. That means the horizontal cut will be smaller than the horizontal cut on the y-axis. In this scenario, this cut is smaller than this one. So option A satisfies. In option C, the vertical cut on the x-axis is the longer one. That means option C doesn't satisfy our observation to the final stage of punch. Whereas in option D as well, we see the x-axis is having the vertical one, which is not true. Y-axis is having the horizontal cut. So as per our observation, option A is the correct answer. And those 2 points are: pillar in y-axis is longer than pillar in x-axis. That is, pillar in y-axis, this one, is longer than pillar on x-axis, this one, and pillar in y-axis is horizontal and pillar in x-axis is vertical. As per explanation, answer to this question is option A.